What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm just going to be honestly just sharing my thoughts and sharing a strategy that I'm personally going to be doing. So if you are interested, make sure to stick around for the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. As you guys know, I'm running this Instagram account, which is relatively new for our Redbubble store. The only problem is I haven't been consistent and I haven't been following up on it every single day. And the account has been growing. The account has been growing. It used to be a dead account. It had about 270 followers, following close to 900 something people. And I figured I'd shift the account's niche, shift the account's category, delete all the photos that were once there, add new photos, change the user profile image, change the username, add a new bio, things like that. So essentially, we're reviving the account. And today's the first, so I figured this is a great way to not only give myself some accountability, but show it to the world. And we could go ahead and all track it together. So on today, December 1st, 316 followers, 1,198 following. Let's go ahead and see how we're going to grow. We're getting an average of anywhere from 1 like or 2 likes to 7 to 10 likes a post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post every day. The goal is twice a day. And I'm going to at least do, or not at least, but exactly on the mark, 100 actions a day. Now, those 100 actions for the first week, for the first 7 days, is going to be, I'm going to be following from a like list. So to be very, very clear, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pull up a list of accounts. I'm going to pick a competitor account or a similar account. It doesn't matter which account it is, but let's just say I pick this one. I'm going to go over to the photos, okay? And I'm going to look at the photo list, and I'm going to click on that photo list. And I'm going to have a list here that says liked by, like, let's say 5,000 people. I'm going to click on that list. It's going to now come up with what we call a like list, right? Or the people who like that specific photo. That's when I'm going to go over here. I'm going to take the Instagram bot and make sure my numbers are right. And it says here, follow quantity 30. I'm just going to bump this up to 50 so I could do this twice a day. And I'm going to leave it from 10 to 20 seconds per each follow, which basically means the bot is going to wait literally from 10 to 20 seconds to perform each follow randomly so that it has this randomizer and so that it doesn't trip the algorithm. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click this button once, just like that. And I'm going to move my mouse and just wait for it to do its thing. So now it's going to wait 10 to 20 seconds to perform each follow. So the first follow needs 10 to 20 seconds, obviously. So we're going to go ahead and wait for that to be taken care of. Once it follows, then that's essentially, we know it's kind of doing its thing. Now let's just, like I said, we're going to sit back and wait. It followed its first one, and it's going to do its thing now. And what I could do is, I have to, well, not what I could do, but what I have to do is I have to make sure I do this consistently. A lot of the times, guys, I get busy, I forget, and I'm only human. I mean, you guys know how it is. Everybody does things that maybe they're not necessarily proud of, and this is one of my things. So I'm going to, say it out here, out loud in this video. I'm going to stay consistent. I'm going to do it, and yeah. But let's go ahead and talk about this real quick while it kind of does its thing. What this, reminds me of is the series that I did, the 7-day series. If you guys are familiar, we did this with both series, both the Follow Unfollow Bots and IGBots.org, where different periods of time, I would take an Instagram account and start from scratch, from zero, and grow it every single day for 7 days. And we used different Instagram bots. We used these bots up here. We used this tool, and we had different series. So if you go to the YouTube channel and you look in the playlists, there's one that says how to grow 1,000 followers a week, and then the other one is going to say the 7-day series. Now the thing is I can't actually predict how many followers I'm going to get. I'm not really sure. What I'm actually more interested in is how much traffic that my Redbubble store is going to kind of increase because of this method. And what you guys are going to be seeing is the exact process with it. So I'm really excited for it. If you guys are excited too, please let me know, and follow up on the series. I mean, like I said, for me, it's followers is not really a big deal. What really is a big deal is how much reach you're getting, how much traffic. And in this case, we're blessed because Redbubble pays for advertising for you, especially retargeting ads. So when somebody sees your website, right, and they jump off your website without buying, what Redbubble is going to do is they're going to say, okay, we have an interest indicator. We can see that this individual is genuinely interested, right, in the product that's being sold. So let's go ahead and remarket to this person. And what they do is they put out ads on different websites that are not on Redbubble, right, on that person's computer. So let's say that person is reading through a blog, or maybe is on yahoo.com, or whatever the case may be, reading through different stuff. They're going to see ads of that same product that they were once interested in. And that's going to increase our buying percentage, because the average consumer on the internet needs to see a product 7 times before they purchase, which is actually kind of crazy. But yeah, you guys heard it here. So what I'm actually going to do now is I'm going to leave this. When I shut off the video, I'm going to leave this. I'm going to let it do its 50. And then later at night I'm going to let it do another 50. Okay? And like I said, the hard part is going to be consistency. But to be honest, it's really not difficult. It's just reminding myself to actually get the job done. Because as you guys saw, it took 2 buttons I had to click, literally, or maybe 1 button. So in terms of using Instagram bots, it's not difficult. Just a little FYI, this bot here that we're using has a function of doing follow. So it can follow from an actual follow list or from a like list. It can unfollow, and it can click the like button. So it can do likes from a hashtag, which we will spend a whole week doing. And that's going to help us really boost our engagement. But that bot is called the Optimal Instagram Bot from igbots.org. I'm currently not an affiliate, as they do not have an affiliate program. Hopefully, I will be very, very soon. But you can see here, this is the tool. It's $119. And if this is too expensive for you, they have alternatives. So they have here a Instagram follow bot user. So basically what this is that you can follow 125 people per day. They have one here that's called the Instagram Follow Bot Unlimited, which you follow 1,000 people per day. And then here you have the Unfollow Bot. Then you have here the Total Bot for $69. So if you're on a budget and you can't necessarily afford the whole 119, you can get something like this. It's like the Total Instagram Bot, which includes the unfollow and the 125 action follow, which normally is $110 total, but you're going to get it on sale for $70, so $69.99. And that's just, some quick examples. And obviously there are different bots. For example, you have this one, and this is a great tool. I actually have it here on my computer. You can see here, I just pulled it out. Great tool, works phenomenally well, and never had any issues with it. And generally, these type of bots that are over here in this section, guys, the Chrome extension type tools that you get, they're really, really good and dependable tools, simply because they do not use the API. That's the most important thing to understand, is that there are 2 different kinds of bots, right? You get the bots, for example, like a Jarvee or a cloud-based bot, and those do use the API. And basically what those bots are, they constantly need developing. They constantly need updating. But a tool like this doesn't really do it because it's more simply built. And at the end of the day, this mimics a human being's activity much, much more than the API bot does, because the API bot uses actual code to connect to the website. This one doesn't. So it's a lot different. And just, some FYI, some FAQs that I've had people ask over time is that, do you need to enter your password for bots like this? The answer is no, you do not. The way it works is if you're already logged in, then the bot will work, right? All you have to do, open up is a follow list, like list, etc. But no, you don't need to enter your password or anything like that. Also, they ask, some people have asked, do you have to pay monthly for these tools? And as of for now, these tools do not have a monthly cost. The only thing that you could potentially pay monthly for, if you wanted to, is the Optimal Bot has a one-time payment, but it also has a subscription. So if you pay monthly for this $7 subscription, that means you're going to receive all the updates for the subscription for $7 a month. But, it's up to you if you want to get it or not. It's really your choice. But these 2 tools here, this tool and all the tools on this website, no. There's no monthly subscription. There's no monthly price. It's you buy it one time, you own it for life. All right. So I'll let this bot keep going. You can see how many people it already followed, which is a good amount here. I'll let it keep doing its thing, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. Not even tomorrow, but tonight. Guys, we've been doing, just a quick side note before I even end the video. We've been doing 2 videos every single day. I made the commitment. I said we're going to do it for the rest of the year. And guys, we're going strong. We haven't missed a single day. So, and we don't plan on it neither, missing a single day. So just a quick FYI, for those who have been watching or maybe you haven't subscribed yet, we're posting 2 videos every day. One of them is going to be an Instagram bot main focused video. And then the other one later into the day is a passive income related video, whether it be Redbubble, whether it be merch, whatever it might be. So make sure you tune in if that's what you're interested in. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. Bye.